The Volpi KVS7000P pruner combines cutting precision and maneuverability. The 1/4-inch chain and the 8-inch bar, about 20 centimeters, are designed to ensure precise and clean cuts, optimizing work even in conditions of limited space. The integrated display allows the user to monitor the battery charge and the count of working hours. The provision of two 21.6-volt and 4.0 Ah lithium batteries ensures a prolonged duration of use, also ensuring ease and speed in the charging phases thanks to the Quick Connect system. The operational safety of the Volpi KVS7000P pruner is ensured by a dual-switch system, designed to prevent unintentional ignitions. The ergonomic grip, with hand protection, ensures excellent comfort even during prolonged use. The brushless motor of the pruner, with a nominal power of 950 watts, guarantees efficiency and durability, minimizing vibrations and noise and promoting a more comfortable work experience.